Welcome back to Just 2 Minutes, Just a Mishnah. This Mishnah is the Nishmas Friedele Basracha and Yishal Yitzchak ben Yishai Leib and therefore Aser Basiva and the Schos of Ali Yitzchak ben Gila. So Mesechas Bava metziah Perak Dal, Perak Beis, Mishnah Dal, Mishnah Hey, Matzah B'chanos Harelu Shalai. So if someone finds in a shop a lost object that doesn't have a simon on it, a sign, so you can't tell who it belongs to. Bein Teva, so then you're allowed to keep it. Bein Teva v'lachanvani shalchanvani. But if it's between like the counter and where the owner of the shop is standing, so then it belongs to the owner of the shop. Lifnei shulchani harei elu shalai. But if it's in front of the lifnei shulchani harei elu shalai, if you find money on the floor in front of, if you find any object in front of a money changer, so you're allowed to keep it. Bein hakisa v'lashulchani harei elu lashulchani. But if it's between like the table basically and the money changer, so then you're allowed to keep. Then it belongs to the owner, to the guy. It belongs to the money changer. Halakach peres mechaver. If someone buys fruit from his friend, or if his friend sent him fruits, and he found money in the fruits, and we're talking about a case where this guy is a wholesaler and he gets fruits from all over the place, you're allowed to keep the money because we don't know who it came from. If they're like tied together, so then that's considered the sign, and you have to try and figure out who it belongs to. It says in the pasuk where it talks about returning a lost object, and also a scarf. If you find a scarf, also a scarf. So the Mishnah asks, why does the pasuk also have to specify specifically a scarf? It says that to show us that just like a scarf is special, that it has signs on it that you can tell who the owner is, and it has someone who wants it back. So any object which has a sign on it where you can figure out the owner, and there's someone out there looking for it, meaning the owner hasn't given up hope for it, so then you have to give it back, and those days Mishnayos.